How to customize Telegram app icon. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can customize the app icon of Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to customize your Telegram app icon, now in my case, I'm using an icon pack, so it might not be really visible for you, but you can actually still customize a Telegram app icon. Open up Telegram and tap on the three lines icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then just go to the option that says settings and tap on it. Then once you go to the settings option, you'll find many options here. You want to simply scroll and go to chat settings. Under chat settings, here you'll find many app icons. Now some of these are free, like there is a default and vintage and aqua, they're free. But other ones like star, turbo or nox icons, they require you to have premium. But if you're satisfied with either of these, you can simply change that and basically just go ahead and then reset it. If you want to change it back to the default one as well, you can choose the default app icon too. This is the way on how you can do it. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.